What's up, guys? We're back in another video.
Yeah.
And we're playing Animal Hospital today.
This is like almost the most popular game.
Yeah. Or it might not be the most popular.
It's probably like almost the most popular.
Or it probably is popular.
Probably. Okay, it is popular. But like it's probably the most popular.
No, it's the I'm pretty sure this is popular than every single game, right?
Not every single game.
Okay, might.
Doctors you.
Doctor. Let's go, doctor.
Hello
Apple
guys.
Rubble
This is my shop.
That is not your shop. This is my shop, guys. Wait, tell me if I kind of look similar to the doctor.
Yeah, I kind of do.
Let me see. Oh, yeah.
Okay, it's perfect.
Yo, what are you doing? What are you doing in here, bro? Zion, why are you starting off with that bad start?
Can I go to room? Bro, he's an entity.
Why'd you click it, though? Why'd you do it?
I'm going to
No! Why you keep on getting it, bro? Man, you already have a lot. Stop taking them.
What's up, blue dog? Help!
Nah, you got that.
Help! I hate you, Christian. No, I'm doing this.
I don't care really much.
So what you guys gonna do to me? Look, bro. Hey, blue dog. Hey, deal guy. Deal guy.
What?
So how much segments have you done?
I don't know.
Done right now. Oh,
Right now? Damn.
I'm having a nice day. Got the sun and you know why. Is that cousin? That's our cousin.
That is not Ryan. It's Ryan, not Ryan. I think it's named Ryan. I think.
Is that a good?
Bop, 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 bop. Go. Open the door.
I can't hear you.
Go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Boing, boing, boing. Don't worry, sir. We got you, bro. We got you.
Still can't hear you.
Let's climb down.
I can't hear you.
You got that, okay?
Okay.
Boing, boing. Wait. No way. Wait, can I walk? Please tell me. No! Hello, doctor. Do you need some help, bro?
What are you saying? Can you not pay no more?
No way. He's gonna. Why'd you leave?
because Adam caught me. I didn't leave. Adam? Yes, he caught me. And he ended up.
Let's go, doctor.
Yeah, if you want to buy a taser.
I don't have enough. Oh, money. Oh, this is broken. Let's go.
Oh, camera's broken.
How have I just fixed that one? Yes,
I didn't do it. Right.
I did.
Huh?
Said it was fixed.
You got that fixed. I'm gonna yeah, I can't hear you, Adam.
Okay, this patient. Okay.
Look at your AirPods. Hold on, Adam.
You probably connected to his headphones.
Oh, wait. Let me see.
Boing.
He's probably connected to his headphones.
He was. Oh. You turn it off?
There's no way. I already found 2 wall hiders.
280 and shift 3.
Yeah. Boink weave. Oh, there's no way. Okay, never mind.
Pick up the headphones.
I'm checking every single stall if there's a wall hider. No wall hiders. No.
Oh, what are you doing, Christian?
What? The game's glitching.
Oh, we're playing the game. But do you want to play?
Let's go. I don't have it. You. What?
Can you do patient number 5 or number 4?
It's number 4, but I don't want to do him.
But you don't want to do Metal number 1.
No, I always do him.
Huh?
I always do him.
Can you do number? Okay, then do this guy.
No, I always have to use. I always have to do patience, and then you just do that. Bro, no.
But you don't play Nobody? I know you don't.
Zion.
Cause I thought we were gonna get to shift 9 so we get the new coffee maker. But now you don't wanna play.
You left the game.
You left the game? Okay, bye.
I'm saying, did you left the game?
No.
Okay.
Cristiano!
My
I hate you!
bad.